Hello, this is Mr. Win, and this video is over solving absolute value inequalities. So absolute inequalities are solved the same way as absolute value equations, but involve the extra step of graphing and shading. The good news is that inequalities don't require checking your answer. Be careful of opening and close. Remember, dividing by a negative flips the sign. Since absolute value problems are really two problems in one, we have to put both graphs on the same number line, and along with the graph, your answer must be written in interval notation or set notation. Something that I highly recommend you memorize is absolute value more is an or with the outside shaded. Absolute value less is an and with the inside overlap shaded. Ors do not require any overlap and rarely do. If they do overlap, that's a tricky case. The answer is all real numbers. Ands require an overlap and they rarely don't. In the tricky case, if they don't overlap at all, you say no solution. Here's our first example. Solve absolute value x plus 6 is less than or equal to 10. Notice absolute value is less. So I know right away this is an and. That means the inside should overlap. And this is going to be closed. So I'm going to make the two cases. Positive 1 parentheses, negative 1 parentheses. Distribute the 1, subtract the 6, done on the left side. On the right side, distribute the negative 1, add the 6, divide by negative 1, which flips the sign. The right side's done. If I graph this first one, x is less than or equal to 4. I go to 4, closed, shade left. If I shade this right side, go to negative 16, close, x is bigger, shade right. I'm looking for the overlap. These two meet in the middle, so the overlap is right here in red. This picture is my answer. I write interval notation. This goes from negative 16 on the left, positive 4 on the right, both closed. Set notation, you can write both inequalities with the word and there, although it's kind of weird. You should always combine it to a single one. Negative 16 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 4. Here's example 2. Same problem, but I change the sign to greater than. So notice absolute value is more, that's the or. That means the outside, this should be open. So I make the two cases, positive 1 parentheses, negative 1 parentheses. Solve the same way as earlier. Remember when you divide by negative 1, flip the sign. Here, I don't have to worry about the overlap. So for the first one, x greater than 4, I know it's open, shaded right because x is bigger. For the second one, it's open, shaded left because x is smaller. There's my answer graph. Interval notation, there's two parts, there's a gap right here, so union. So it goes from negative infinity all the way to negative 16, open. Union, positive 4 open, all the way to positive infinity. For set notation, you start the two inequalities, put the word or there. You cannot combine them to an and. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Bye.